It's your girl, we're Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, and tell your partners in, because we literally over here. Without further ado, you're not going to see me today, but you will hear me. So we're going to start announcing winners each week, because I wanted to let each giveaway go on for about a minute or two, just so everybody can participate. So let's see. This is for the purple, kind of lavenderish, well, it's light purple Chanel dupe, but it doesn't have the Chanel logo on it. So we have our winner. I want to say congratulations to one of our family members. We have Anna Vero 9120. Once again, that's Anna Vero 9120. You are the winner. Congratulations. I want to say thank you for participating. Let's see, depending on when I get your information, then I can send off your prize and then provide you with the tracking number. So make sure you send me your address or where you would like it shipped to, and I'm going to put my email address somewhere on the screen, and make sure you send it there. Once again, thank you for participating. And y'all be on the lookout, because I'm still, letting the other, is it 4? I think it's 4, I'm not sure, but I'm still letting the other giveaways go on, so make sure you follow the rules. Once again, thank you to our family members for participating, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.